Once upon a time, a man was going somewhere on a horse. After a long journey, his horse became very thirsty, but the man did not have any water left with him. He started looking around. Just then he saw a well at some distance. He took his horse and came near to the well. He saw that a farmer was watering his field using rehat from the well. Rehat was an old form of irrigation system in India. Traveler requested the farmer to let his horse drink water. Farmer agreed and allowed his horse to drink water flowing through the channel. The traveler brought his horse near the channel so that his horse could drink water flowing through the channel. But as soon as the horse tried to drink water by bowing his stand down, it would get scared listening to the rattling sound of the rehat and go back. The horse would again go ahead and try to drink water from channel, but again it would go back fearing the sound of the rehat. The traveler kept watching this for a while. Then he asked the farmer to stop his bullock for a while so that the rattling sound stops and his horse could drink water. The farmer smiled and replied, "My friend, as soon as my bullock stops, and then your horse will not be able to drink the water. Therefore, if your horse has to drink water, then it will have to drink it while bearing with the rattling sound of the machine. Otherwise, it will remain thirsty." You see, in life, this is the story of all of us. Our life is also just like that. In today's hectic life, we are so busy from morning till evening that we do not get time to live the moments of happiness in our life. Every day we have to face new challenges and new difficulties in our life. Some people think when they will get to die, then they will enjoy their life, and some think when all of their responsibilities will be over, then they will live life of their choice. We all think like that. When hustle and bustle of life stops, then we will enjoy life. But what we think often doesn't happen. Life will always keep busy. But like in the story, the farmer said to the man, "If your horse has to drink water, then it will have to drink it while bearing the rattling sound of the machine. Otherwise, it will remain thirsty." Similarly, if you have to enjoy your life, if you want to live the moments of happiness in your life, then you have to live those moments of happiness in the midst of their hustle and bustle of life. Otherwise, life will keep passing like this slowly, and you will miss to enjoy the important time of your life. Therefore, while doing all the work, while fulfilling all the responsibilities, try to take out some time for yourself every day and do what you enjoy in that time. Be it meditation or spending time alone in nature, or be it spending time with your family or playing any sports with your friends. Because one day you will look back, you will find that life was meant to be enjoyed and celebrated, but you have wasted worrying for things that did not really matter. If you found this video helpful in any way, please hit the subscribe button for more inspirational videos. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.